Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Sit in the driver's seat, adjust seat height, lumbar, mirrors, and steering wheel reach until you have a clear view and comfortable posture. Buckle the seat belt and place the transmission in park. Press the brake pedal and push the start/stop button to start the engine, and apply the parking brake when stopped on inclines. Use the 12V outlet or wireless charging pad for devices, and stow loose items before driving to avoid distractions and ensure cabin safety. Operate the iDrive using the rotary controller, touchscreen, or natural language voice commands to enter destinations, call contacts, or change audio. Open driving experience control to choose comfort for relaxed driving, sport for sharper throttle and steering, Eco Pro to favor efficiency, or adaptive to let the car learn and adjust settings. Toggle steering and suspension presets if equipped, and activate cruise control or active cruise with distance to maintain speed on highways. Confirm changes on the central display and monitor instrument cluster feedback. Observe BMW recommended service intervals and monitor the condition-based service messages. Typically schedule oil changes and inspections every 10,000 miles or 12 months unless warnings appear earlier. Keep tires inflated to the manufacturer's pressure, often near 35 psi, inspect tread depth and brake pads regularly, and rotate tires per schedule. Use the recommended premium fuel and check engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and the 12.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.